the Black Panther has been the protector of the Braille House for many generations.
You held onto that for your life.
Yeah, I told you right there.
Let's do it for Wakanda.
Black Panther, you must land this for Wakanda.
For Wakanda.
Alright you guys, that was our Black Panther movie premiere special. If you can't tell, we are both very, very excited to watch this movie. Black Panther played by none other than our very own Nigel Jones. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and you should go and follow Nigel on Instagram. The link will be in the description below. And you should also go to the movie theater this weekend and watch Black Panther, because we both heard that it's a very good movie.
Outstanding. I haven't even seen it.
And
I don't know who has, but I know it's outstanding.
Yeah, and this is not a sponsored video. We're just very passionate about superhero movies.
Yeah.
Go check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. We have a Braille House party on February 24th that you can come to and hang out with all of us and Doug Desautel's. And maybe Nigel will be wearing the Black Panther costume.
For Wakanda.
Oh. Thank you guys. You are the best.
Click on this playlist right here for all the videos in this series. Click here to get Skateboarding Made Simple. It's the most comprehensive lesson plan ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. Go to brailleskateboarding.com. You won't be disappointed.